Hello my friends, this is Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. Today I'm coming to you with a short video. This is pork cutlets. It will be a pork cutlet stew. Okay, yes, a pork cutlet stew. Basically, I'm just going to use some potatoes and carrots and basic seasoning in this small pork cutlet dish that I'll be cooking here too. Alright, and you're watching this on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. So these are my pork cutlets right here. Pieces of pork. Hydro potatoes and carrots and that's turnips, I believe. And of course over here have bell peppers, garlic, scallion, and onions. Yes. So I'm gonna get going to the stove. Alright, I'm going to put some garlic and some cut up onions into the pot. Alright, my pork has already been marinated in basic, very simple seasoning. I used only black pepper and some salt and A1 sauce, and that's it. Yes, A1 sauce, salt, and black pepper. And of course, in the frying pan here, I have chopped up onions and garlic, of course. I'm not going to do this like I normally would, because this is going to be a pork cutlets stew. Looks like a lot of meat, but it's not a lot of meat. At least not for me. So this will be 3 days dinner for me, and so I don't want it to build. I won't cover it because I don't want it to build up in the water. You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So this will be a pork cutlet stew. So it will have everything in it. It will have carrots, turnips, and Idaho potatoes, and of course the basic everyday seasoning, scallion, onions, and bell peppers. And that's it. That's my simple cooking dish here for today. If I think of anything else, I might add it as I go along. You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. I'm not really trying to give these a whole lot of color. Not today. I have a different plan now. I'll use some ketchup in this, and some other sauce. No soy sauce, just ketchup and A1 sauce. We're going to use that color here. This is going to be a one pot, pretty much a one pot cook today. Everything is going in here. Yes, I'm going to add some ripe plantains in here. Yes, I'm going to add some red plantains in the mix of this pork cutlets here today. Alright my friends, this is Winston Joe, Cooking and Discovery TV. This is some pork cutlets I'm doing here today. This is going to be a one pot cook. Everything is going in, alright? Everything is going. Those are Idaho potatoes. I'm going to add a ripe plantain. Yes, this is a plantain. This is my dinner. This is what I feel like having here today, so I'm sharing that with you. The plantains and the potatoes will be cooked down inside of the meat. Then last I'll add the carrots and other vegetables in here as well. Alright, I'm going to put my carrots, and that's it. This is my one pot today. This is just my ordinary cooking here today. Yeah, ordinary. Just going to put everything in. I'm going to put my scallion, my onions, and bell pepper. Yes. Peppers. Then I'm going to put some beef broth in here. Yes, I'm going to close it up. And that will be the end of this. And I'll be eating. I'm going to add some garlic powder, even though there's fresh garlic, but I'm going to add some garlic powder. And some onion powders. Yes, and I'm going to top it off with some Heinz ketchup. The sauce is finished, so I'm just rinsing out the container. The little bit that is left in there. Beef broth, liquid, to make sure everything is cooked, and that's it. They're now ready to eat. That is my dinner. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, my friends, I'm going to top this off with some bean sprout. Yes, some bean sprout. Alright, this is the one pot I'm cooking here today. One pot pork cutlet stew. So instead of noodles, I'm doing some bean sprout. So very shortly it will be going on my plate. So in here I have plantains, I have potatoes, pork, carrot, bell pepper, everything is in there. Onion, scallion, garlic, yes, everything is in here. That's my dish today. Pork cutlet stew. Cutlet. C-U-T-L-E-T-T. Cutlet. And you're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, that's it. And I'll have it with some white rice, some steamed white rice. This is my main course for today. And you're watching this on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, so this is the finished product here. This is my pork cutlet stew. Alright. With bean sprout and other assorted provisions and vegetables. So I'm going to turn the stove off and share my plate right now. I'm hungry. Everything is in here. Plantains. That's the plantain. That's the potatoes. And carrots. That's the pork. That's the pork. I like the pork skin. More plantains. Alright. I'm just going to put a little bit of rice in it. Yes. This is my dinner. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. So that's my dinner, my friends. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. See you on another cooking adventure. Alright, so do take care until next time.